In this video, we'll walk you through how to scan and upload documents using a web page powered by Dynamic Web TWAIN. We'll use Dynamsoft's official online demo as an example and guide you through each step in detail. First, you'll need to install your scanner's driver. For most scanners, the manufacturer provides an official driver. Please visit the manufacturer's website to download and install it. Once the driver is installed, head over to the demo page. As a first-time user, you'll be prompted to install the Dynamic Web TWAIN service. This service acts as a bridge between your scanner and the browser, allowing you to detect scanners and scan documents directly within a web page. Just follow the instructions to complete the installation. On Windows, the service runs under the local system account. You can check the service status to ensure it's running. Once everything is set up, return to the demo page and click the verification button. If the page becomes active, you can click the Select Source drop-down to check for available scanners. If your scanner appears in the list, the setup was successful. If the list is empty, the scanner driver may not be installed correctly. Please double-check that the driver installation is complete. If you don't have a scanner on hand, you can try our virtual scanner for testing. It's publicly available on our website. Once the scanner is selected, you can adjust the scanning parameters as needed. Then click the Scan button, and the scanned image will appear in the viewer. After scanning, you can save the document as a PDF and upload it to a server. That's the end of the tutorial. As an end user, you can use Dynamic Web TWAIN across multiple operating systems and browsers. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, and thanks for watching.